When it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, one of the most important factors to consider is the food we put into our bodies. The old saying, "You are what you eat," couldn't be more true when it comes to our overall health and well-being. But with so many different diets and fads out there, it can be overwhelming to know which foods are truly good for our health. One of the best ways to ensure you are eating a healthy diet is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, without added sugars, preservatives, or other chemicals. Fruits and vegetables are a great example of whole foods that are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for our health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are particularly beneficial for our health. They are high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy bones, skin, and immune function. Berries are another superfood that are rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are also important for a healthy diet. They are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and keep us feeling full and satisfied. Fiber is also important for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu are important for building and repairing tissues in the body. They are also high in essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Protein is important for maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and keeping our hormones in balance. Healthy fats are another important component of a balanced diet. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are important for brain health, hormone production, and reducing inflammation in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are particularly important for heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's also important to limit our intake of processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. These foods can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Instead, focus on cooking at home with fresh, whole ingredients whenever possible. In addition to eating a healthy diet, it's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for digestion, circulation, and regulating body temperature. It also helps flush out toxins from the body and keeps our skin looking healthy and radiant. In conclusion, the best foods for our health are whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By focusing on these foods and limiting our intake of processed foods, we can support our overall health and well-being. Remember, food is fuel for our bodies, so choose wisely and nourish yourself from the inside out.